Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I wanted to do a second trimester then third trimester video, and I already have them filmed. I just haven't really edited them quite yet. The second trimester is just so great that I just don't have a whole lot to say about it. But the past 2 weeks I have gone bargain hunting and shopping to try to finish up the nursery, and so I want to share a few of the purchases that I've found the past few weeks. And everything is super affordable. I do not shell out big money for anything. I am super cheap. So like if I have to pay more than $20 for something, I really heavily think about it. And if I could DIY it, I would prefer to do that instead to save money. All these things are going to be from Dollar Tree, Target, Michael's, and Facebook Marketplace. By the way, my cat's playing with her toy in the background, so just ignore her. So first of all, I'm just gonna start off with my Facebook Marketplace purchases because I feel like they're not easily findable. They're not easily found out there, so I just wanna get them over with. But the first one is this cart right here. I'll show you a clip of it. I've been looking for a diaper cart and I wanted the one from IKEA, but the one from IKEA I think is like $50 maybe, I don't know, $30. And I was like, really, for just a stupid little cart? Like, that's a little too much money for me. So I found this beautiful gray one on Facebook Marketplace for $15. Okay, and the next thing that I got is, oh, I forgot, this haul is from Amazon too. But I got this cord, this cotton cord that is really soft, and this spool is like 165 feet for $17, I want to say. And I'll show you right now what me and my sister started, because this is going behind the nursery, or this is going behind the crib in the nursery. And I'm so excited about it, you guys. Macrame is super awesome to me. So my sister and I started this yesterday, and I'm not finished with it yet, obviously. I have a design over there that I'm gonna do, and I'll do a big reveal of all of this. But we are DIYing a almost 5 foot long macrame piece, and the rod was $4, and the 2 spools of the cotton rope were $17 each. So these on Etsy go for like $300 or $400, and that's like the really basic kind, and I'm doing a more intricate design. And when it's all said and done, I will have paid like $40 for this whole thing. Yes, it is time intensive, but I love macrame, and that's the theme of my daughter's nursery, so I think it's worth it. So that brings me to the next purchase that I found at Michael's, which I'm so excited that I found about an hour ago. So I got these pillows from Michael's. Let's see. Let me pull the other one out. But yes, I got these pillows from Michael's, and y'all, these pillows, one of them is originally $30 and they were 70% off, so I got them for $9 each, so $18 for these 2 gorgeous, soft, well done macrame pillows. I couldn't make this pillow for what I paid for it. Like, it was just cheaper to buy it already made. And I'm so excited because this can go in her nursery, this can go on our bed, this can go on our couch, this can go in her crib, this can go in Instagram photos. I don't care. I just love macrame so much. And I don't want more than one piece on the wall in the nursery, so I feel like these pillows will just tie it all together, and it's just, I'm so pumped about these pillows. Sand and Sea collection. So if you're watching this video right now, I'm sure their Sand and Sea collection is still at Michael's, and all of that stuff is 70% off, and it includes these pillows and some like cool Aztec-y looking seashell pillows that are there too, but I didn't want those. So that's like all the nursery stuff, I think. I don't think I bought anything else for the nursery. Now we're moving to like the baby shower stuff, which my baby shower is next weekend. So a week from today, I will be like planning and decorating this whole place, which I'm gonna vlog that. And I wanna do a baby shower vlog to show you guys the decor, because I think it's gonna be cute, even though it's all over the place. But then at Michael's, I also bought these little melted candies, melt candy things. And I got them in pink and turquoise. And it looks pink and blue on camera, but this is like a deep turquoise color or teal color. And that's like the colors that I want in her nursery. So my friend, she actually has a YouTube channel here. She's called the Recreative, and her name's Ariana. She's amazing. You should go subscribe to her because she is so good at like DIY things, and she does bullet journaling. I'll just link her channel below. But so I was pumped that these freaking candies are like the same colors, and this will be going in the nursery as well, going along with that neutral macrame theme with pops of rosish pink and teal. My mom is gonna do some white disc cookies that have like little pink onesies on them, and I thought like pink and teal onesies would be really cute. We already have the molds for them, and I'll vlog that later this week whenever it's next week. I'll vlog that in a few days and show you guys how that turns out because it's gonna be really cute. I went into Target looking at their dollar section. I wasn't sure what I would find because it's Easter right now, and I'm not like trying to go with an egg theme or a bunny theme or a carrot theme. There's tons of eggs, bunnies, and carrots, and it's all really cute, but I didn't want any of that right now. So I saw this garland there, and I haven't opened this yet. I kind of want to open it right now. I don't know, guys. This thing was just $3, and I didn't want to buy a bunch of yarn and make garland, so I thought this was perfect. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh. I did not think that would be that cute, but I have a vision that I'll show you with the Dollar Tree stuff to hang some onesies on a clothing line, probably on that back wall back there where you see that mirror and my cat. We're gonna push our dining table up against that wall and have like all the food laid out, and on that wall I want to like string onesies with like clothespins. I saw it on Pinterest. I thought it was cute, but I figured tassels would also brighten it up a little. And so this is actually really long, and I'll space these tassels out and put it on the wall, but I'm so pumped, yay. Then also at Target, I spent only $9 at Target, so $3 on that. And then I spent $3 on these plates. It's just 60 plates, and it's kind of like a periwinkle bluish gray color. The camera is not showing it very well, but doesn't matter. I just needed plates, and I'm not trying to be fancy. And then I got some smaller ones that have like pink and tangerine, and I don't know, guys. I just don't really care about matchy. I'm more of an eclectic person. To me, I just like color, so I want color everywhere with like, yeah, I don't know how it's all gonna turn out. I think it's gonna be cute, but we'll see. My house is pretty like neutrally themed. Like if you can see, there's like whites, beiges, pops of greenery everywhere, so I feel like the color overlaid on that will just look really festive. So the first thing, it's one more nursery thing. It's just these little box dividers that go inside of drawers that I'm gonna put her socks and onesies and probably swaddle blankets in. I don't know, guys. I've never been a mom. I don't know what's going in there. And I'm gonna do a nursery tour with all of this stuff too, because I think the nursery is gonna be so cute. Oh, my vision for one of the walls in here, which the baby shower is gonna be held in, I'm in my living room right now. The baby shower is going to be held in here, is to have a balloon wall with various sizes. I know, so original. Everyone does it. But I kind of want a place for us to just take photos with cool photo op moments, which that macrame piece will be finished a week from now, and I think that would be a good backdrop. But I want to do the balloon wall thing too because it's cool. So I got 30 white balloons and 15 goldish balloons. Just a neutral wall, and then I think I'm gonna cut like some fiddle leaf fig leaves out, and I'll just show a picture right here. I think I'm gonna like make it look like that. I don't know, honestly. I'm having people come over to help me, and we're all just gonna try to figure it out and make it look good. But I definitely want the balloon wall because I think it makes a big impact, and that was $3 worth of balloons. And then I got clothespins for the onesie clothesline that I told you about with the tassel garland. Oh, this was before I went to Target and saw the cuter yarn garland, but they also have this other garland, which I'll probably use like at some point, if not at this shower. I wish they would have had more of the pink ones in stock, but oh well. I don't mind blue either because these have like a rosy pattern on one of them. And these were cute too, and they're only $1, so if I don't use them, fine, I'll use them some other point in life. Okay, we're almost done. I bought the standard like candle holder from Dollar Tree, like this that everyone uses for DIYs. Then I also bought this larger one right here. So this is going to be a base,
and I'm thinking I'm going to stack these 3 trays. I have no clue how this is gonna work, guys. I priced serving trays at TJ Maxx earlier, and I just don't want to shell out a bunch of money for serving trays that I'm not going to use again. So this one would cost me $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, plus I have a glue gun, plus the paint. So that's like a $7 serving tray. Yeah, so I'm going to paint this white and that white jar right there white. And I'm gonna paint the underside of this white so that the paint doesn't touch the food. But yeah, simple serving tray, nothing fancy. So it'll be white, gold, white. Okay, and so I think that's everything except for these last 4 items, which are these really cute frames that are at Dollar Tree right now. And they actually have a bunch of really cute ones. They have small ones and large ones. I can totally see these being set up at the shower because Josh's mom gave me a ton of photos of him. I have a ton of photos of me as a kid, and so, gosh, it's so hard to open. And they're just little chalkboard black, super cheap frames with a string of twine and some little clips. And I bought 4 of them because I know I want to display us at the shower and all the photos of me and Josh as kids, because everyone kind of wonders what the baby's gonna look like. And we got a 3D ultrasound, which I have an idea of what she looks like, but she still looks like any other baby to me. The biggest feature that I see in her that looks like us is that she has like those little sinus pockets right here, and me and Josh both have those. So I'm like, oh yeah, that is our baby, because she has those little puffy under eye things going on. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Oh, I did get a rug, and I'll show you the rug. The rug is beautiful, and it was only $35 from Ross, and it's a 5x7 rug. It's a perfect size. And it's soft and it's easy to vacuum, and I am just so pumped. I think it's gonna look so good with the fiddle leaf and the crib and that. Like, I'm just so excited, guys. Yeah, that's everything I've bought the past 2 weeks. I think I've spent, let's see, it's like what, about $100? Not bad for all of this stuff. And I'm gonna have some help with the shower, and I will show you guys all of that. But I just wanted to get this video up because, I don't know, I want to document this time in my pregnancy because it's just fun. This is the fun stuff. Even though it's the 3rd trimester and sleeping is getting harder to do, I'm just pumped and excited to do all this fun decorating. I think they call it nesting. Like, I'm nesting right now. Like, I just want to clean and organize things, and I can't wait to get all the stuff from the baby shower so that I can like put it in the drawers and get the nursery fully set up, even though she's not even gonna sleep in there for 2 months. Sorry that this stuff is all baby related. I want to get back to my faith videos and stuff, but you guys seem interested in the baby stuff, and I've gotten good feedback on Instagram. So I'm just gonna keep on documenting this part of my life because it's exciting and it's almost over. And then the baby will be here, and then I have a lot to learn. So thank you so much for watching this haul. Oh, and if you want a bump shot, here you go. This is almost 35 weeks pregnant right now. So we're feeling very large, very, very large. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.